Gamit namin pang off-roading.
Because we were gonna get one anyways, right? So it was just the fact of you need to find a good deal. This just so happened.
Good morning, guys! Wala nang cone si Kinsley.
It's going back on.
Why? She's trying to?
No, but if I don't, that's why I have her laying by me so I can watch her.
Oh, tinanggal muna namin yung cone niya. Pero kailangan muna namin siyang bantayan, no? So, nag-start kaming mag-pack, guys, kasi alis kami bukas. Ito yung mga dadalhin namin. May camping kami bukas. And ito yung gamit namin pang off-roading. Ayan, meron kaming solar anchor. What is this, babe? Generator?
That's yeah,
Solar generator. Ayan, na yun yung battery ng ano niya, ng drone. Ayan, meron kami nitong radio. Ayan. Marami si Travis ganito yung solar generator. 3, 4 ata yung solar generator niya. Mga sponsor lang yan siya. So, yung YouTube channel namin na isa, doon kami nag-upload ng off-roading namin. So, JT 4x4 off-roading. Tapos, ito yung drone niya. Gagamitin namin bukas. Yeah. Why? You miss your cone? Huh? You miss your cone? What? Grabe ang fluffy ng hair mo, Kinsley. Ang fluffy ng hair mo, girl. Gusto niyo magpakamot eh. Puro na lang tayo pakamot, girl, ha? Puro na lang tayo pakamot. Pinaliguan kasi namin to siya eh. Oh. I love you, baby ko. I love you.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys! Welcome back! Binalik ng daddy niya yung cone kaya umalis ang daddy niya. Hey guys, kakauwi ko lang po galing sa work and itong asawa ko, wala siya dito. Alam niyo kung nasaan siya. Andoon siya. Meron na naman siyang binili, guys, no? So inaantay ko siya and magpe-prepare ako ngayon ng pagkain para sa dadalhin namin bukas. Tumatawag siya. Para sa dadalhin namin bukas, guys. And then papakita ko sa inyo kung anong binili ng asawa ko. Sa work ako kanina, kausap ko siya. Sabi niya, babe, I think you're gonna like it. So, papakita namin po sa inyo later. Pauwi na rin siya, no? So, while nag-antay ako, mag-prepare muna ako ng pagkain na dadalhin namin para bukas. Dahil nga, meron kaming camping at off-roading, di ba? Mag-camping at off-roading muna si Buntis bago manganak. Di ba? So, bukas yon ng madaling araw, alis kami. So, kailangan may prepare namin lahat ang gamit na dadalhin namin. And si Travis, wala, busy siya. So, yun, busy siya sa busy siya sa ano niya ngayon, no? Kung ilang oras siya ilang oras siya nag-stay doon, pero buong umaga nandoon siya. So, ito na nga si Travis, guys. Oh my gosh, may bagong sasakyang binili. Hintayin natin siya makapag-park dito, no? Super excited siya. Ngayong araw niya tiningnan, ngayong araw niya din binili. Grabe talaga mapasabog mo, Travis. Oh, diba? Good job ka talaga, diba? Ay, ang ganda ng tire. Ang ganda ng gulong. Nice. Galing ah.
How you like it?
It's nice. Yung pag-uwi mo meron ng
Come look
may bagong
inside.
Jeep.
So,
Let me see. Who's calling?
I'm not sure.
O, diba? Ayan. Leather seat. Oo nga, no. Ang ganda nga.
I know. Look at the...
Wow.
Look how clean. Look
Tuwa.
how clean. Jump in.
Hindi talaga siya mapakali hanggat di niya hindi siya makabili ng Jeep. Oh, diba? Nice. That's really nice.
Do you see how clean?
Yeah.
Look at the seats. They're like brand new. Look at
Yeah.
all insulated.
Used car to siya, guys. Pero isa lang yung may-ari. So, binili niya ng bago. Tapos siguro binenta niya agad.
I mean, babe, if you come and check this out.
What? Oo nga, ang linis nga.
So this again is the Rubicon, right? So it has the rock rails already on it. Brand new tires.
Right.
Brand new. So you have all of this room in the back.
Nice.
It's got the upgraded sound system, so it sounds really nice. Look, you can plug your fridge right in the back here if we take this camping or whatever.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's got everything. All of the brand new.
Huh?
Come check this out. It's so new. It still has the sticker.
Yeah, I think the owner bought it and then he didn't like it because of the mileage.
I think it was a business vehicle. I think they just use this for business.
Really?
Well, yeah. How else do you get it this clean? Like, check. Like, it's just. And see how it's got a little scratch here, which means they carried stuff in here. But I mean, other than like little things.
Some people, they don't like Jeep, guys, kasi it doesn't get good gas mileage, but it's better than his truck though. Sabi niya. Diba?
Yeah, I mean, even when you, like these LED packages.
Yeah.
So steel bumpers, front and rear.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But you see how
that's really nice.
You see how clean it is?
Yeah. It looks lifted though.
It's not. It's stock.
Oh.
Yeah, all
so ayan pinagkabalahan ni Mister ngayong araw. Minsan talaga ano ka sa asawa mo no? Hindi talaga siya titigil hanggat di niya mabili to. Ayan. Pakita ulit natin sa inyo yung ayan.
Like and so like all of this.
Ang kagandahan niya may ganito siya
very clean.
May ganito siyang monitor kasi madalas sa Jeep yung mga lumang wala silang ganun.
You see what I meant by like
and this is automatic, right?
Yeah, automatic.
Oh, nice.
This is your 4-wheel drive. These are your lockers, like what
nice.
Kevin has.
But I don't know how to use that.
You don't need to.
Yeah, because you're gonna use this a lot.
Yeah. It's nice.
Ko to siya gagamitin madalas sa work, guys, kaya mas maganda pa rin yung CRV ko pang trabaho ko. Kay maano siya sa gas, matipid. Are you happy about it now?
Yeah, it's nice.
I know you're not gonna stop.
What do you mean?
I know you're not gonna stop looking.
Oh, you found a good deal because we were gonna get one anyways, right? So it was just the fact of you need to find a good deal. This just so happened because of the miles, the years, and how clean it is.
Yeah.
That's why it's a good deal.
Can you show me the
Yeah.
Tignan natin kung gaano nga kalinis.
So then you just push down on the hood here.
Wow. Ano?
But I mean, you can kind of tell like even if you look deep into the engine, it's clean. Look at these components. You can normally dealers will clean this.
Yeah.
But how do you clean down there?
Yeah. So it means
they took good.
No, I mean I think they bought it brand new and then maybe they use it for
work. I think it was used as a business truck. Yeah.
Right. So yun guys, muna kami Ayan yung pinagkabala ni Mister ngayon. Mag-empake na tayo. We're gonna go,
to the gym?
Yeah, and we have, we need to pack our stuff. Hi guys, punta kami ngayon ng gym. Na-excited si Travis gamitin,
You're excited too, babe.
You're excited too. Ikaw lang yun. Yeah, I'm also excited kasi I'm so happy for you because you bought it. You bought what you want.
What you wanted. You wanted one too.
Yeah, I wanted it too, but it's so expensive.
What's your first impression about when I told you it was clean, but rather than me telling you, were you seeing it?
I already trust you because the way he told me, oh my gosh babe, you will really like it, it's so clean, ganon sabi niya sa akin. And then I already think that it's gonna be a good vehicle, Because, you know, mas ano siya, mas bihasa si Tawi sa mga sasakyan kaysa sa akin. Syempre, ako ano lang naman, hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng sasakyan before. So, siya, ang dami ng dumaan na sasakyan sa kanya. So, si Tavis talaga, ewan ko na lang. Sinabi ng mama at papa niya, yun yung bisyo niya. That's your vices, huh?
You mean this?
Bye.
I'm done.
No.
I'm done. At least for 1 year, I'm done.
Oh, ano at least for 1 year?
I can't make promises I can't keep. I'm done for 1
Diba?
year. Okay.
Kasi meron siya nung Honda, tapos binenta niya. Bumili naman siya ng truck. Tapos ngayon naman, gusto niya ng Jeep. Ito naman, bumili siya ng Jeep. So, hindi namin binenta yung, yung motor, pati yung CRV, tsaka yung truck niya. Kumbaga, additional.
So we have 4 vehicles.
So,
now.
we're broke na, guys.
We have 4 vehicles, but CRV owe nothing, bike we owe nothing. My truck almost paid off, so
Yeah.
we have a little bit on the truck we owe and a little bit on the Jeep, but the Jeep was essentially for like an extra vehicle, right? An extra vehicle and something that, you know, we can like have fun with and mod. It's a
Ang
family
ganda niya sa
vehicle.
loob. Second hand to siya, pero parang hindi siya masyadong gamit na gamit. Hindi siya na off-road. Parang every, ano lang siya, yung ginagamit lang sa work, ganyan.
And it's a Rubicon. It's a Rubicon. It's not
Pag
just a Jeep.
magtitingin kayo ng Rubicon dito, sobrang mahal, guys. Gusto niya Rubicon kasi nga daw Rubicon.
You know how much this costs brand new?
Yeah, how much?
65,000.
Diba? Sobrang mahal. 65,000. So, grabe yung ilong ko ba? Parang lumalaki na. Babe, my nose is getting big, no?
No, it's just red.
It's red?
It looks like our daughter's nose.
Bali. Punta muna kami ng gym, guys. Tapos, saka kami magluluto at mag-asikaso ng mga dadalhin namin bukas. So, bukas na ang alis namin. Papunta, mamundok ulit kami, no? Mamundok ulit tayo. So, we'll see you after ng gym namin. Alright guys, medyo makalat ang bahay ngayon dahil kami ay nagpe-prepare para sa pagkain namin bukas. Magluluto tayo ng pansit at lumpia. And ayun yung mga gamit na dadalhin namin. Medyo makalat pa talaga, so mamaya pa namin malilinis. Tapos, meron nga pala kaming gagawing cheesecake. Yung cheesecake natin, tignan natin. Ayan yung cheesecake na lalagyan na lang namin ng ang ibabaw na strawberry. Tapos meron kaming dadaling pudding. Ayan. Banana pudding. So, ayun guys. Magluto muna tayo, no? So, ayan na yung toppings ng cheesecake natin, oh. Yung dadali namin bukas. Tapos, guys, ito yung lumpia. Unti lang yung nagawa ko kasi wala, gahol na kami sa oras. Pero meron naman kaming naluto ng pansit, no? Ito yung pansit natin. Ayan. Ayan yung dadali natin bukas. Madami pa kaming kailangang ayusin, guys. Yung mga damit namin. Tapos yung ibang mga gamit. Tapos itong pagkain. Ayun, oh. Tapos, yung mga kumot na ilagay niya na ata dun sa sasakyan. So, ito na lang mga pagkain. Tapos yung mga iba naming gamit, no? So, ayun lang yung vlog natin for today, guys. And baka hindi kami makapag-upload ng video mga siguro 1-2 days. Kasi nandun kami sa bundok at walang signal. Diba guys? Walang signal madalas doon. Depende kung magka-signal ako, no? So, update na lang namin kayo after ng camping namin. And I'm sure magbe-video naman ako pagdating namin doon para makita nyo din yung lugar na pupuntahan namin. So, thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!